Hello everyone and welcome to QuickCAD, and today we will see how we can design a section pulley in SolidWorks. Let's get started. First of all, create a new part file, and today we are using equations to define our sketch. So go to tools, click on equations, click on global variables, and I want you to follow this slide. Here for a section, all the dimensions are mentioned. And suppose this is a groove pitch width WP, which is this dimension from here to here, which is 11 mm. Next is minimum distance from outside diameter to pitch circle diameter, which is B, and the distance which is distance from outside diameter to pitch circle diameter. This is our pitch circle diameter line. Next is minimum groove depth, which is from here to here. Next is center to center distance, which is indicated by E, which is this. From this to this, this is center to center distance between two grooves. Next is F. F is edge of pulley to first groove, which is this is our edge and it is our first groove. So this is F. Next is pitch circle diameter, which is indicated by DP. Next is groove angle. This is angle between grooves. Next is top width of groove, which is indicated by G, and outside diameter, which is PCD plus 5.5. Means this is pitch circle diameter plus 5.5, which is outside diameter. And one of the important parameter is length. Width. Width is equal to x minus 1. X means number of grooves times E means center to center distance between two grooves, and 2 times F. F means edge of pulley to first groove. So we will first define these parameters. I will switch back to SolidWorks and type here groove pitch width WP. Hit enter. Then which is 11 mm. Hit enter. Again hit enter. Next is minimum distance from outside diameter to pitch circle diameter. Minimum distance from OD to PCD, which is indicated by B. Hit enter, and the value is 2.75. Hit enter, and again hit enter to get back to this cell. Next is minimum groove depth H, minimum groove depth, which is H. Hit enter to get into next cell, and enter 11 mm. Again center to center distance, center distance, which is indicated by E. You can also click on this cell and add value as 15. Again get back to this cell. Then edge of pulley to first groove, edge of pulley to first groove, which is F. Hit enter, which is 10 mm. Again PCD. Suppose let's say so today we are designing say 3-inch pulley or 75 mm pulley. So I will enter 75 mm. Again hit enter. Groove angle. So groove angle is depend on pitch circle diameter. Suppose our PCD is up to 118 mm, then groove angle is 34 and top width is 12.7. If our PCD is greater than 118, then groove angle is 38 and top width is 12.9. So groove angle, we use if command. If click on this command, if PCD is less than or equal to 118, press comma and spacebar. We want angle as groove angle as 34. Again comma. If it is greater than 118, we want 38. And as you see, our PCD is 75 mm, which is less than 118. So our groove angle is 34. And suppose I change value to 120, which is greater than 118, then our value is changed to 13 degree. For now, I will keep PCD as 75 mm. Then top width of groove, top width of groove, which is indicated by G, and which is 12.7 if it is less than 118. If it is greater than 118, we want 12.9. So we again is if click on this command, hover over this global variable, click PCD, which is less than equal to 118, comma, space 12.7 else 12.9. Means if PCD is less than or equal to 118, 12.7 will be used. If it is greater than 118, 12.9 as pitch circle, top width of groove. Hit enter. Now total grooves X is equal to, for today's we will consider two grooves, and most important parameter is width of pulley, which is L. I want you to carefully follow this video because we are using too much formulas here. Width of pulley is x minus 1. So first of all, we will add a bracket, hover over this global variable, which is x minus 1, close bracket, space, multiplication symbol, E. E means center to center distance. I hit backspace, and again this window appears, and I will choose E, and after E, there is addition, and addition 2 times F. I will again use bracket 2 space times F, and close the bracket, hit enter. I want you to carefully follow this uh, this operation to get the value. And I think we are done here, so I will click OK. Now we are start designing our model. I will click on right pane sketch. I will choose center line command, draw center line like this, uh, press right mouse button and select. Now I will draw a profile of a pulley like this. We are designing two groove pulley, so I will sketch two grooves and sketch a profile like this. Escape key to out, go to smart dimension, click this dimension, press equal to sign, and this is a width of pulley L. Click OK. As you see, this 35 is automatically taken by SolidWorks as we define the values in equations. Next is I will click on this line. I will hover over my mouse to this line. This midpoint will appear. I will click, and this is our edge of pulley to first groove. Click here, click OK. Now I'll again hover over this line, click this point, which is the center to center distance between two grooves. Then I will activate point command, and please do not place your point here, which is a midpoint. Place anywhere like here, and go to smart dimension, click this point, this line and this line, and enter as B, which is minimum distance from outside diameter to pitch circle diameter. Again click here and here, which is a depth of groove, select OK. Now I will adjust the profile, click on this line and this line, make it collinear. I will adjust the sketch like this. I will first of all delete this sketch because it is tangling a bit. I will click on this line and this line. I want it collinear and equal. I will again adjust this profile a bit. Make sure these three lines are collinear but not equal, and make sure these two lines are equal. Then go to Smart Dimension again, click on this line and this line, which is our angle, and groove angle 34. Hit enter. Adjust the sketch like this. Go to center line and draw a center line like this. Click on this line, center line, and make it symmetric. Click on this line and this line, make sure it is parallel. Click on this line and this line, make sure it is parallel. Now we can define the top width of the groove, which is top width of groove. Hit enter. Now we need to define pitch circle diameter, PCD. Okay. Hit escape key. Try to move the sketch, and as you see, we click on this line and this line, which is a center to center distance, and this line give dimension like 22. Click here and click here and 12 mm. I want that initial diameter to be 10. You can define as per your requirement, and our sketch is fully defined. I hope you understand all these equations. If you are stuck anywhere between this, please replay the video and make sure you get all these dimensions. Click OK. Go to Revolve wall space command and click on this line, and our pulley is designed successfully. You can also change the parameter, like you can also change the parameters like this. Suppose I don't want 12, I can define 10 mm, and our A section pulley is properly defined. I hope you liked the video. We can also make an impression of our uh, size of pulley. I will click here. I will select this. I will say A type pulley. A type pulley 75 mm as diameter, pitch circle diameter. 2 means double groove. A means section of pulley. 75 means pitch circle diameter of pulley. I will assign some dimension to this line like 25 mm. I will again go to center line and draw center line like this. Make sure it is vertical and reduce this arc length and hit OK. Go to command section and type split line and select this place. And I hope you are also able to make this in SolidWorks. Thank you for watching the video.